Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to display image by making use of Matplotlib package in Python, and we are going to classify it as subplots to display multiple images. And one more thing is that if you observe our first video, nothing but reading and displaying image in different formats. There, when we displayed using Matplotlib by making use of RGB image, it came in reverse as BGR, right? So how to overcome that situations also we are going to see in this lecture now. Yes, friends, this is my Jupyter notebook. Since I have not closed it, I am opening directly. If you are opening again you need to open command prompt, enter Jupyter notebook and all. Because from this session I am not interested to show always from starting, because in all the starting videos you can see the complete process. So from here we are going to focus more on programming part. Yes, guys. Now you have seen in the previous lecture how I have read the images in two different formats, right? Let me copy those two lines. And packages we are going to work with is same, guys. CV2 package and Matplotlib package only. We need not use this IPython package for this experiment. Yes. Let me name it as only A and B. A is my RGB image and B is my grayscale image. Yes, guys. Now let me use plotting through Matplotlib. This is a simple way how we plot by making use of Matplotlib, guys. Here you can see actually according to solar system, our sun must be red, right, as per our image, because our image is RGB. But while using the Matplotlib, what happens is those RGB will be reversed. Nothing but in format of BGR it is taking values. So to print our original image, what we need to do is, it is a simple one-step process, guys. Nothing but just you need to reverse the values, right? It is RGB we need to print. You are getting in format of BGR. Nothing but if you reverse it, then you will get the correct image. So now I am going to reverse and I am going to print it. So now let me take a new variable c equal to a of, since we are working with three values, yes, now again plt dot im show is the function. Yes, guys, this is our original image. Now you can see how we have printed. The pixel values will be different only, guys. Remember that one. Our image size is not going to affect with it. Only the colors are going to affect. Here you can see now how the colors are. This is the BGR image. And this is our RGB image, which is our correct image which we have printed. Now, here you can see that I have printed in different windows, right? Now, how to do it in a single image? Nothing but in single image, I need to get both the images or more images. So, for that, I am going to use the subplot. As we have seen in the computer vision and image processing with Scilab, there we directly entered as subplot, right? Here we are working through Matplotlib package. That's the reason we call it as plt.subplot of. Here three numbers you need to enter, guys. Let me consider a 2 by 2 first. At first position I am going to take. Yes, let me run it. Yes, you can see this is the first plotting, and let me also show plt dot subplot of 2 comma 2 comma 2. Yes, you can see top 2. Now again let me say plt dot subplot of 2 comma 2 comma position is 3. Here you can see now down at third position we are going to get one more one. Yeah, and fourth plotting also I'm going to show. Yes, guys, it is not mandatory that you need to enter number continuously. If you keep commas also, there will be not an issue. Let me keep here commas so that you can understand the difference easily. At fourth position, I am going to get one more plotting. Yes, this is the default plotting sizes. Nothing but from 0 to 1 and 0 to 1 at a difference of 0.2. Now I am going to display images right in those windows. So let me say plt dot imshow is the function to display. Guys, it is very similar and easy as Scilab, because in Scilab without PLT dot we have used the function subplot, imshow, title. Yes, we are going to perform same, but before that we are going to add PLT because it is present in the Matplotlib dot pyplot. That's the reason we are going to use PLT function here. I am show of A. A is nothing but which image? Our actual image, our RGB, nothing but BGR image is going to printed. Then next, yes, let me name it as PLT dot title, and title of our image is BGR. Yes. You can see our BGR image as printed. Here you can see values, right, guys? This is our pixel values, nothing but our image size. And here, if you notice one thing, these remaining three plots did not affect anything, guys. Now let me show by printing another two also. PLT dot im show off. Yeah, B is nothing but regarding our grayscale image, right? PLT dot title of grayscale image. Yes, guys, here if you notice one thing, I have told it as grayscale image, nothing but our B image which we have read is grayscale only, right? But why we got in these colors and all, the reason also I'll tell, but before that, how to rectify it, let us see. PLT dot im show off B. B is nothing but our grayscale, right? We need to use a function CMap, and in this we need to enter it as gray. Yes. Now let me just run it. Yes, you can see this is our grayscale image. But to know whether this image is right or wrong, because for grayscale again we are using CMap as gray, you may get out that is it right or wrong. So let me use this A. Yes, if you are using with a CMap function, you can notice that it does not show any effect. The reason is you need to perform this CMap equal to gray on our grayscale image only, guys. Remember that point. Then only we are going to get our original grayscale image. That's the reason I have named it as GSI actually. So let me name it as grayscale image. Yes. And the last plotting which I am going to do is plt dot im show. Yeah. Our RGB format, guys. Nothing but that BGR1 we are just reversing it and stored in C. So I am going to use plt.in show of C for the last plotting. Enter plt.title title. What is our image name? RGB image. This is the original image, guys. Yeah, remember the thing that always original image does not mean RGB image. The reason is what image which we are reading is RGB image. Similarly, operations you can perform even on grayscale black and white images also. But in real life, everywhere where we use is related to RGB colors only, right? That's the reason we are also focusing only on RGB images. Nothing but, for example, if you consider CCTV footages and all, or some attendance monitoring system and all, there we are going to use this kind of technology only, guys. Yes, you can see here, this is how it works. Or RGB image, grayscale image, this is BGR image, GSI image. To print using Matplotlib the grayscale image, don't directly make use of the grayscale read function. That is nothing but don't use only B. You need to map it as gray because if you leave it like that, it will mix with the RGB values, average and all, and it will print some different colors. You can see something green, blue, all mixed colors it has printed. If you reverse this BGR image, you are going to get our RGB image. And if you are going to map our GSI, nothing but our B, uh, nothing but the image which you read in grayscale. If you are going to CMap it as gray, then you are going to get grayscale image. This is the complete working of Matplotlib package to display image in different formats. Hope you all understood. And in the next lecture, we are going to see splitting and merging image using OpenCV. Hope you all understood. If you are facing any issues, you can comment in the comment section. Thank you.